Today, we are talking about how to monetize a small channel on video platforms and pulling in some real income, even if you don't have many followers or subscribers. Now, I know a lot of you are just dipping your toes into this whole creator economy thing, and maybe you've uploaded a few videos on YouTube, TikTok, or even Twitch, but you're staring at some really low view counts and thinking, well, how am I going to turn this hobby into something that actually pays some bills? Well, in the next few minutes, I'm going to break it all down for you. Step by step, no fluff, no quick get rich quick schemes, just honest advice for beginners like you who are navigating this modern world of online creation. My name is Rob Jarrett, and after 20 plus years as an entrepreneur, producer, and coach, I am building a personal brand and business for myself, and I'm sharing everything I learned with you. So subscribe, join the conversation. Now let's get into it. Okay, first off, let's make sure that we're on the same page here about what the creator economy even is. In simple terms, it's this massive shift to where everyday people like you and I can create content, videos, streams, podcasts, and build audiences that value what we make. You know, platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, and even some of the newer ones like Rumble and Vimeo. And I like to throw in LinkedIn in there as well, because that has become a very popular platform, especially if you're dealing with business content. So these platforms allow us to do huge things, great things with our content. They're playgrounds, and brands, fans, and algorithms are throwing money around. But the key is not about going viral overnight. The creator economy is worth billions, over 100 billion globally as of last year. And it is growing because people crave just genuine, authentic, niche content, well over the polished, hyper-edited stuff that we are used to seeing. And if you're new, think of it as your side hustle evolving into a business. And it will eventually evolve into a business, but it does take some time. But we are able to monetize right now, especially with a small channel. Let's say under 1,000 subscribers or followers. So you can do it, but you need a plan. So let's start with the foundation. First and foremost, build something worth monetizing, and I can't stress this enough. If your channel is scattered, it's hard to make money. Pick a niche. Are you into gaming tips? Are you into beauty hacks, cooking on a budget, or tech reviews? Niche down so that you attract a loyal audience. For example, instead of general fitness, go for something like home workouts for busy parents. Why? Because small channels grow faster when they're specific. Algorithms love pushing content to people, and especially people who will stick around and view a lot of it. Post consistently. Aim for 1 to 3 videos a week. And remember, quality over quantity. And if you can't do 3 quality videos a week, no big deal, man. Just do 1 video a week. Use free tools like Canva for thumbnails, CapCut for editing, and your phone for filming. Very important, engage with your viewers. Reply to every comment. Ask questions in your videos and collaborate with other small creators. Here's some growth hacks. Cross-post your clips to TikTok or Shorts, and it might drive specific traffic back to your main channel. Use SEO titles like how I made $100 in my first month as a creator. Use strong keywords that people actually search for. Track analytics. YouTube Studio is good for this. TikTok analytics are great, and they will show you what is actually working. Remember, monetization starts with an audience that trusts you. Trust is the most valuable currency that humans trade in, and it is not the other way around. The big dream for many is ad revenue. On YouTube, that's through their partner program. To qualify, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Or 10 million shorts views, not really my thing. Seems impossible because I'm not that into shorts, but it's an option. So once you're in, ads play on your videos and you get a cut, typically $3 to $5 per 1,000 views, depending on your niche and your audience location. But if you're a small channel and you're not there yet, don't wait. Platforms like TikTok have creator funds starting at 1,000 followers and 100,000 views. And it pays pennies, but those pennies do add up. Here's a pro tip for newbies. Focus on long form content to build those watch hours. People binge watch educational stuff, and if you've got something that's educational, you'll be good. But ad revenue is just the tip of the iceberg, especially for small channels. So let's talk about sponsorships and brand deals. I mean, these can kick in a way earlier. And once you have even 500 engaged followers, brands might begin to notice you, and you can pitch yourself, create a media kit, a simple PDF with your stats, your audience demographics, and some past content. Use tools like Google Docs to reach out through email to brands in your niche. Say, hey, I love your protein bars. My audience of fitness newbies would really dig a review. Platforms like Aspire or Influence.co connect creators with brands. And to really start small, affiliate links first. Sign up for Amazon Associates. It's free. Share a sale, ClickBank. In your videos, you can say, hey, if you buy through my link in the description, I get a small commission at no extra cost to you. You need to disclose it. FTC rules require transparency to avoid fines. You don't want to get fined. Say for a beauty channel, link to products in the descriptions. And earnings can be anywhere from 5 to 20% per sale. And I've seen creators make $50 to $200 a month from affiliate links with well under 1,000 subs. Then next up, we have merchandise. This is huge because it's passive income. Once your audience loves your vibe, you can sell branded stuff. Platforms like Teespring and Printful, they let you design t-shirts, mugs, stickers without upfront costs, and they print them and then they ship them to those customers. And you can integrate this into your videos. You could say, hey, grab my Level Up Your Life tee description in the link below. And for digital creators, sell ebooks, printables, courses, use Gumroad or Teachable. It's zero inventory. And if you're a cooking channel, sell a $10 recipe PDF bundle. Small channels can also start with Patreon or Ko-Fi for some fan support. Offer exclusive content like a behind the scenes or early access for $5 a month. Even if patrons only pay you $5 each, you get, 10 of those? That's $50 a month. It's better than nothing. And don't forget live streaming too. Live streaming is good for instant cash. On YouTube, you can do super chats, and that lets viewers pay to highlight messages during the live streams. Twitch has something, I think it's called Cheers and Subs. Go live weekly. Question and answer sessions, tutorials. Build a community. And for super small channels, use Buy Me a Cup of Coffee for one-time donations. How about crowdfunding? If you have a big idea, like launching a series, use Kickstarter. But be realistic with it. Promote it hard to your existing audience. Now let's get into scaling this as a newbie. All right? Diversify platforms. Don't put all your eggs in YouTube. TikTok for quick growth, Instagram for stories, LinkedIn if it's professional. Use other platforms as well to drive traffic to your content. A big one that a lot of people overlook initially is email lists, and they are gold. You can use MailChimp. They have a free tier to collect emails. And you can put a call to action in your video that says, sign up for my free tips newsletter. And this way, if the algorithms change and you have a dip, you own your audience. Be sure to track income. Use a simple spreadsheet for taxes. Creators are self-employed, so we need to set aside 20 to 30% for taxes. You can also use apps like QuickBooks or Wave apps. They're great for keeping track of small business expenses and income. So common pitfalls for new creators. Chasing trends instead of passion. You will burn out. Don't ignore SEO. Use things like TubeBuddy or vidIQ for affordable tools. It's great for keyword research and finding what's going on in your niche. Be sure to network. Join Reddit communities like Reddit NewTubers or Discord groups for collaborations. And patience, my friends. For new creators, it can take 6 to 12 months to see real income. I started with zero and hit my first $100 from affiliates about 3 months into this thing. But it requires consistent posting and dedication. And again, a lot of patience. So monetizing a small channel is about value first, money second. Build trust, deliver consistently, and the income streams will eventually open up. Ads, sponsors, merch, affiliates. Start today. Pick one method. Let's go with affiliates and implement it into your next video. Now, if this hits with you and you want to get better and monetize faster, be sure to subscribe, comment, and become part of the conversation and the community. And I encourage you to check out this video right here. Also, get a huge head start on your creator journey by downloading my free Creator Kickstart Kit in the description. It has helped many people just like you get started today.